Yes, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers of the Zexon Amid YouTube Sports TV. That is in the Premier League, Manchester City has just drawn 2-2 at, that is the Crystal Palace Stadium, in one of the most emphatic games so far of the league. Remember, this game ended 2-2. Previously, these teams met, that was last season, and the first game ended 2-2. However, Manchester City went ahead and won, that is the reverse fixture, that was 4-2. So this time, after Crystal Palace having one of their poor spells so far, and having gotten, that is a good ending to last season, things have been moving on very good. However, previously, they had managed to win their last game before this one, and coming into this game, they knew that they only had to get a win so that they can maintain or they can uplift their standards. However, the game ended 2-2. The game was very intense, reason being that Manchester City also had previously lost, that was 4 consecutive games. However, in the midweek, they managed to beat, that is Nottingham Forest, that was 3-0, thinking that they had gotten their confidence back. However, when they went, that is at the Crystal Palace Stadium, things weren't moving on very well. Just within the first 4 minutes, Crystal Palace had taken the lead. That is Colombian superstar Daniel Munoz, who had opened up the scoring for Crystal Palace. However, in the 30th minute, Erling Brandt Haaland managed to score, that is another goal, to level up, that is Crystal Palace. That was in the 30th minute when he managed to jump over the defenders and comfortably put the ball into the back of the net, meaning that it was 1-1. However, that wasn't yet enough, as Crystal Palace managed to come back still into this game, and they managed to grab, that is another goal, making it 2-1. However, towards the dying minutes of the game, that was around the 68th minute, that is Rico Lewis managed to score, that is the thumping shot, making sure that Manchester City had drawn this game, that is 2-2. Manchester City kept on pushing further and further. However, Crystal Palace also looked very intense, reason being that Grasina had impacted more skills into these boys, and they wanted to go for a win. And thus, in the 84th minute, Manchester City managed to get, that is a red card that was given, that is to Lewis, over a tackle, that is in the midfield, meaning that Manchester City were reduced to 10 men, meaning that their efforts towards the Crystal Palace goal were somehow cut short, and thus gaining confidence for Crystal Palace players, who went out, that is wild, in search for a winning goal. However, Manchester City kept on pushing further and further, or held on, that is for a draw. With so doing, Manchester City have moved, that is to 4th position, currently, that is on 27 points, 1 point away from 1 point below Chelsea Football Club and even Arsenal Football Club, who will be playing their games, that is tomorrow. But to any fan of football, I think this is one of the most emphatic games that you shouldn't have missed out, reason being that Manchester City's poor form has continued, reason being that in the previous 6 Premier League games, they have only managed just a single win, that was in the midweek up against Nottingham Forest, losing 4 consecutive games and even drawing this one, meaning that Pep Guardiola's men are not in good form. So with so doing, it means that if Liverpool plays its game, maybe it could even extend the gap to 12 points, meaning that they will be far away from touch. But to any fan of football, I think this is the moment for any team, either Chelsea Football Club, Arsenal Football Club, or even Liverpool Football Club, to get a new winner. I'm Zexon.